Can we do it then?
When you see a drone take off, it may seem like the mission has already begun. But in reality, the most important part of a drone mission happens before the drone even leaves the ground. Every successful operation starts with a plan. The team first understands the objective. Is the mission for mapping, inspection, agriculture, or monitoring? Each task requires a different approach. Next comes the site assessment. Operators study the terrain, identify nearby obstacles, review weather conditions, and check airspace requirements. These steps help determine the safest and most effective way to carry out the mission. Then, the drone is prepared. Batteries are checked, propellers are inspected, sensors are calibrated, and communication systems are tested. Even a small detail can make a big difference during a flight. Only after these checks are complete does the drone take off. And the planning doesn't stop there. Throughout the mission, operators monitor flight performance and capture data in real time, ensuring the operation stays on track. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured operational workflows before every deployment to support safe and efficient drone operations. Because a successful drone mission isn't defined by the takeoff, it's defined by everything that happens before it.